Mama, look at this. It is literally like... They're gonna start blowing the foghorn in a second. What's up, guys? Good morning. Today we are back here on board the Carnival Breeze for our cruise vlog series. Listen, if you don't know who I am, my name is Josh, and I'm going to be your host for this amazing adventure day that we're going to have today. Today is our very first sea day. There's Miss Lauren in there. Hey, Miss Lauren. What you up to? Drinking your coffee? She's getting her coffee, getting her pep in her step. She is doing much better from last night. You guys know last night she had a little bit of seasickness issues, but that has mostly subdued. So let me let you take a look. Here is our sea day view. Here we go. Look at that. Whoa, we've got some big ones crashing. And then all the way back there. A little bit overcast today, but I think that's going to clear up hopefully sometime later on today, and it's going to turn out to be a beautiful, beautiful sea day. So right now, what have I got going on? Well, actually something very unfortunate. One of my group members, Cody, has had a toothache, really, really bad toothache, to the point where it's kind of kept him up all night. And so we're going to take him down and go speak with a doctor here on board, and we think we're actually going to have to schedule him a dentist appointment out in Amber Cove because it is so serious. It has to do with like a filling potentially falling out and that kind of thing. Super, super painful, I'm sure. Cannot relate to it, but from you know, the looks that he's been given and the pain he's describing and the anguish that he's in, I'm sure it's quite awful. So we really feel bad for him. So I want to get him some help any way that I can. So I'm going to go down with him and check that out, see if we can get that taken care of. Then I'm heading right up top, meeting with the rest of our group. We're going to get our day started off with our morning family huddle. You guys don't want to miss a second of it. Make sure if you're not already subscribed, you hit that subscribe button so you can tune in for the whole entire series. We're going to go into a crew area, Miss Lauren. Deck 0, so if you ever need to go to the medical center, that's going to be on deck 0. We're going to try and get Cody some help, and like I said, we're heading back up top to the group, but no cameras in here, unfortunately, you know, for obvious reasons. So I've actually just run up top myself here. I'm just going to meet with the group, kind of give them an update of what's going on. Then I'll run back down and speak with Cody. But I wanted to go ahead and let my mom's going to take care of the family huddle this morning, so that I can be with Cody, you know. Hey, party people, what's going on? Good morning, good morning. How we doing? What's up? It's not good.
How's Cody?
It's not good. I just ran up here to kind of let you guys know that she's going to take care of the family huddle this morning. All right, so still no update. It's not been seen by the doctor yet, but it is 10:18. We were supposed to be doing some Cruise with Josh trivia, so I put together like a little trivia sheet for the gang. Basically, it's like a journey through the cruise vlog, so it's questions based off the cruise vlogs, different cruise vacations that I've aired on YouTube. So it's gonna be really fun. I'm heading back here to kind of see if I can swap with my mom, and so I can host that for them, and she can go down and check out Cody and just make sure that he's doing okay and that kind of thing. I feel so bad for the guy.
Why you gotta act like this?
And we are playing our Cruise with Josh trivia. We've got a small group today. That's alright. I think the scavenger hunt, everybody should come out with the scavenger hunt. That's gonna be fun. Yeah. Angie in the back. Whoop whoop.
It's during the time of something else now.
Okay. Number 13. My favorite spot in Miami is blank. Series.
I see a lot of stuff crossed out over here.
A lot of question marks over here.
She's playing hangman over there with herself. The winner of today's trivia is not Miss Kate. The winner is Mr. David with 14 points. 14 out of 20. The man is a legend. And David, you have won yourself a very special golden trophy.
All right.
Mini trophy. There you go. You gotta wear it with pride on top of your head.
If I have to wear that scarf, you gotta wear it. The shirt? Cruise squad. I brought this.
I had to buy it because it said Scrooge on it.
I love it. David, we're selling that. I need you to send me the link for that one. We're gonna sell that one. David just won the Cruise with Josh Trivia, the first annual Cruise with Josh Trivia, 14 out of 20. The man is a legend, guys. I'm telling you, you gotta get on board with me. You gotta come sail. We got tons of fun activities for you all day long.
Now let's talk about onboard. We have this thing called the Behind the Fun Tour. This is great. People have always asked, oh, Schwartz, how do we see the engine? How do we see the...
Oh, he's got his Fun Aboard, Fun Ashore show. We went back down, checked on Cody. We're picking him up from the infirmary. Hello. Hello. Picking him up from the medical right now and taking him back to his room. They've given him some antibiotics and they've given him some kind of shot, like numbing shot, to kind of help with the pain. And he's gonna go back tonight and get another one. And we're just gonna kind of let him rest. Hopefully it'll start to feel a little bit better and we can get some closure for this situation. But just a really, really awful thing. But the beautiful thing out of it all was that when I, told the group members what was happening, everybody jumped right together, said, if we need help pay for anything, we'll help. Any way that we can help, when we watch the kids. So that's what it's all about, being one big family here on board Carnival Breeze. Some of them are inside. They had a late breakfast, but we're getting Guys Smokehouse BBQ. Here it is right here, the Pig and Anchor. Here's the menu if you wanted to see what's going on, what they've got good. Basically all of it up here is just excellent. It really, really is. I love it. And it smells so good too. Smell that, Erica. Are you excited? Look, she's got her brand new lanyard on that all the group got. You can get yours now, joshhokum.com. Look, Peter's got the blue one. Angie's got not a Josh Hokum one. Don't get that one. No, not that one. Ah, he's got the blue one. He's got the old school one.
Boy, that one thing, something, but I think that was spicy. There's some spicy stuff in there.
Is it good, Tom?
It is awesome. Yum, yum.
I caught him. We've just gotten our food here at the Guys Pig and Anchor. We came inside to eat though, because it is rather windy outside, and the captain just said, plates might fly and stuff. So we chose to eat inside, keep all of our silverware and utensils intact and in hand today. So we're gonna do this, and I think we're gonna have to switch up the schedule a little bit. We had on the schedule for the waterworks today, but due to the weather it being so windy and everything, I don't think that's gonna be a good, the smartest option. Look who is here. Hey, buddy. All right. And Teresa. All right. Hey, girl. Have y'all eaten?
No.
Well, get you something.
I don't want to miss that.
Yeah, we'll get you something. But the barbecue is light, so it shouldn't, and the roll too. So you should be able to do that. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to switch that up a little bit. We may do some pub games instead today, and some other activities. We might play bingo. Anybody ever played bingo on a cruise ship? Yeah. I've never played bingo.
On the list.
Never played bingo.
It's fun.
It is pretty fun.
We should play bingo. We should play bingo. We should play. So we're gonna win bingo, right? We're gonna win bingo, yeah.
You have to be 18 or older to buy the cards.
Okay, 18 or older to buy the cards, but any age to accept the money. Just finished up there, the Guys Pig and Anchor BBQ. I really, really enjoyed it, but I'm gonna tell you what, that pork butt was hot. It was hot. Okay, Lauren says that it wasn't spicy, but Lauren also, I'm pretty sure she singed her taste buds off of her mouth. So she doesn't really find a lot of stuff spicy, but overall it was really, really, really good. So we'll have to maybe hit that at least one more time before the cruise is over. Right now, we're actually gonna do a cute couples thing. We're heading up and we're gonna work out together, going to the gym. She has begged and pleaded and cried and asked And of course I'm a good boyfriend, you know, so whatever. To go work out together. We canceled our waterworks takeover because the weather is really bad. Even the captain came on and he was like, yeah, don't go outside. So we're just gonna kind of do inside stuff. And then at 1:45, they actually had the military appreciation today, which I thought was rather interesting. But they're doing that today instead of the last sea day, so we'll go and check that out. Just like for a perspective for you guys, you know what I'm talking about? Why we canceled waterworks? This is why we canceled waterworks. Does not look good, but that's the bad news. The good news is that I looked at the weather for the rest of the cruise earlier, and today is supposed to be the worst day for it. So from here on out, it looks like it gets much better. Tomorrow there's literally like a 6% chance of rain, which that's every single day in the Caribbean, and every other day there's like no chance of rain. So we should be fine. It's just gotta power through today. Tag on, that was quick. Elevators are so quick on this ship, like even the glass ones. Normally the glass ones you have to like wait for them, but here we go. Going up. Hey, my fit girl. Whew. You work hard. I'm dead. I am dead. Kinda wish we could go stand in the rain for a second. Whew. We were on a time crunch, but man. Oh, my trainer worked me. She worked me hard. It's this chick named Lauren. Y'all don't know her, but whew. Oh, let's see what's going on outside. Oh! Oh my gosh, yeah. It has not gotten any prettier. See, that is why I had on my itinerary, subject to change. All items subject to change. Because this is definitely not the kind of stuff that we want to be doing the waterworks in. Not a fun thing. So I guess you know what? You know what? It actually worked out then that the military appreciation is today.
That's true.
It really did. Yeah. Because now we have that time free on the last sea day.
Nice.
Yeah, when it's going to be nice, hopefully. Yeah. So that actually worked out well.
Yeah, because we're doing inside stuff.
Did you enjoy your platinum gift, Mama?
I did.
I know. You've been outside.
Yeah, I've been outside.
Yeah, our platinum gift came a little bit ago. Lauren saw it and she was like, mine.
Well, Erica kind of did the same. She had one of the fudge balls, and then.
Well, let me back up. This is not our platinum gift. This is the platinum treat.
Yeah.
The gift will probably show up tonight. I'm not sure what it is.
I'm not sure either. I haven't.
That's true.
I haven't been following it, so I don't know what it is.
Well, I mean, I've heard the blanket at one point. They brought the blanket back.
Mm-hmm.
That'd be nice.
That would be nice. I'd love the blanket. So we've got to head upstairs. We've got to head upstairs actually like right now because the military appreciation is about to get started in about 10 minutes or so. So we're gonna head up there and appreciate all of our fine servicemen and women that are on board today. And I don't know after that. We'll have to. Maybe we can go play some pub games after that.
I know.
Yeah,
and there is Carnival is doing the digital scavenger hunt.
Oh, when is that?
3:15.
Oh, so you know what? Let's do that. So it's turned out to be actually a really, really fun day.
Yeah.
I mean, despite the weather, I think we're gonna make the best of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready? One.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. One arm.
It's over now. Don't yell at me. One hand? Okay, you're joking. No.
That was a little snippet of the military appreciation. You've got to check it out at least one time. At least one time. You gotta get in there, check it out, and just, you know, help appreciate some of our servicemen and women for all they're doing for our country and even other countries. We even celebrated, you know, other countries besides the US. So, but we popped up here. Miss Lauren wanted to pick her up some coffee. Peter's over there. He's, look, check him out. Look at him over there. Look at him. He is dragging. So they wanted some coffee, so we came up here. It's the weather, I really think. Look at it. It's just really nasty and gross out today.
I've never been on a cruise where it's like this.
Well, and even the temperature too. Like it's not cold, but it's not hot either.
Yeah, it's like in the 70s.
Yeah, it's in the 70s. Like it's just not weather for being outside today. So we're actually gonna get this coffee, run it back downstairs, and I think we're gonna all do the Carnival's group scavenger hunt. And that'll be fun, that'll be energetic, but you gotta put some shoes on, because we're gonna be running. You're gonna get some exercise. Okay. We've already been to the gym once today, oh no. Hello mate, are you feeling better?
Yeah, look what Kay got me.
What did she get you?
A nice sweatshirt.
What? Love that.
Hers is prettier. I wanted the color she got.
Oh.
Bring the sunshine indoors. That's good. Okay, guys.
Okay.
We are going to start your scavenger hunt.
Coming up in 5 minutes time, ladies and gents, we're gonna have a digital scavenger hunt.
An empty bottle of beer, an umbrella, a picture with the crew member from Australia, make sure the name tag is visible.
We go to the bar and get the empty bottle of beer and umbrella.
Yeah.
They have the umbrella drinks. Go to a bar right here.
Someone said he can make a bottle of beer empty. Okay, I can get a beach towel from our room.
I can get a.
Still in our room because we need a towel. We'll get the beach towel and the towel.
Hold on, I'll work on that empty bottle.
I got a bath.
Okay. Thomas is gonna work on an empty bottle of beer. We are trucking along, so me and Lauren, our tasks are a beach towel, a towel animal, and flip-flops, right? Yeah. And so this is not the digital scavenger hunt, this is an actual scavenger hunt. So we have to actually bring the items back. And we have 20 minutes. We're already 5 minutes down. Oh my gosh, we gotta go. Cruise with Josh.
Never mind it.
I'm Josh too.
Cruise with Josh.
Here, give me.
19, 18, 17. Hey!
Cruise with Josh. Look at that. We won, guys. Woo! Well, that's 2. Yeah, that's over 2 today for David. Man, he's on fire with the games today. Well, that was a ton of fun. I am so glad that we made the decision to go up and do that because it really turned out to be a great group activity on this rainy sea day that we're having. So with that being said, right now it's about a little after 4 o'clock. We're gonna all get changed up and ready. Tonight is our first formal night. We're going out in style. Next time, I proudly present. They ran out of French fries, but they have plenty of mac and cheese. Is that okay? It shocked us too.
That's pretty much melting cake.
I know.